Built and delivered in July 1965 to agent H.R. Owen in London's Sloane Street, this superbly restored DB5 Vantage Convertible is one of just 5 Vantage-equipped examples built. Originally supplied with Vantage specifications, chromed wire road wheels and a Motorola radio. Factory records for DB5C 2118R show maintenance during its early life having been carried out by Aston Martin in Newport Pagnell over the first 4 years and 25,000 miles of use, and include details of a new engine block having been fitted at just 716 miles and 8 weeks after delivery, whilst under the manufacturer's warranty. Owned from 1992 by European-based Aston Martin enthusiast, and maintained by Aston Martin in Newport Pagnell and Aston Service in Hamburg, a multitude of invoices are contained within the extensive history file, recording the thorough maintenance carried out throughout his ownership through to 2009. Changing hands in 2010 to a UK-based Aston Martin collector, the car was subsequently submitted to renowned UK-based Aston Martin specialist restorers for a complete body-off restoration as presented. Finished in Caribbean pearl with white gold Connolly hides and a navy blue convertible hood, a complete photographic record and invoices for the works are included within the history file, which clearly shows the extent and depth of the restoration works carried out to all aspects of the car. Completed towards the end of 2012, this stunningly restored example of the extremely rare DB5 Vantage Convertible has covered just 300 miles since the restoration's completion, after which the car has been attended to and stored in perfect and climate-controlled conditions.